Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I build a lady's GMT dress watch. I will be using this NH34 movement which has a black date wheel. And I will pair this movement with this beautiful black dial. This dial has a nice wavy pattern. If you have been following my channel, I have used a similar dial to build a men's GMT dress watch as well. This dial has 2 feet which align with the slots in the movement. We need to place this dial spring before attaching the dial. Then place the dial on top, with the feet aligned. Gently press near the feet to fix the dial firmly onto the movement. Pull the stem out to the time setting position. We need to set the time to midnight. This is done by rotating the crown clockwise till the date just ticks over. Now start attaching the hands. First, the GMT hand. Place the hand pointing exactly to the 12:00 clock mark. Then press using the hand setting tool. Ensure the hand moves freely without interference and set the time back to midnight. Next, the hour hand. Place the hand pointing exactly to the 12:00 clock mark. Then press using the hand setting tool. Ensure the hand moves freely without interference and set the time back to midnight. Now, the minutes hand. Place the hand pointing exactly to the 12:00 clock mark. Then press using the hand setting tool. Ensure all hands move without any interference. Last hand to attach is the second hand. Carefully align the hand. Then press using the hand setting tool. Push the crown back to check if everything works. The second hand should start ticking. Check the hand movement one last time before we put the movement inside the case. This is a 33mm case that I am using. All links are in the description down below. Let's open it up to put the movement inside. Unscrew the case back. Remove the rubber seal and keep it safely. Remove the crown. Flip the movement upside down to remove the stem. There is a small lever that needs to be pushed to remove the stem. This will be visible only when the stem is pushed all the way in. Remove the dummy stem. Flip the movement front side up onto a cushion. Carefully place the case front on the movement. Flip it upside down again. Attach the crown to a new stem and insert it into the movement Measure the length of the stem that needs to be trimmed. Remove the stem. Unscrew the crown. We need to cut the threaded side. Measure the length and cut. Use a file to smoothen the cut. Attach the crown back onto the stem and insert it into the movement. Place the rubber seal. And close the case back. I use the rubber ball to tighten the case back. Attach the strap and we're done. Let me know in the comments down below on what you think of this build. I have also built a men's GMT dress watch, and together with today's build, it could be a matching pair of couples watch. Please visit my channel if you would like to see the men's watch build or any of my other watch builds. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment to support the growth of this channel.